about us some benefits of the onion, also about its uses. Brother King, welcome.
Welcome, Nadia.
Brother King, could you tell us some benefits about onion?
Yes. Onion is used as also an antibiotic as well. It's also used as a respirative vegetables for the lungs. In cases like children who are suffering from asthma, because of the onion sulfurous properties, which is very good in terms of helping the lungs to be opening for the breathing aspect, as they use the pump. The pump will just calm the symptom, but it wouldn't cure the problem. When you use the onion in its natural state, it will help cure it. Now, how you use the onion, you can juice the onion with a little honey and make it like an onion syrup. And you use that tablespoon or two of enough, and that will help heal the asthma condition. Onion again could help prevent various cancers in the human body, especially the woman. Onion is very good for breast cancer. People who may have chance of getting breast cancer, you can use onion in its raw stage, and it helps shrink because it has a lot of healing properties in that can help control that part of the growth of breast cancer. So onion is very, very used, and also it's a natural vegetables which also produce a lot of energy, like garlic. So the more we use the natural things like onion and garlic in its raw stage, the more likely we is to come down with some of the immune disease that can plague us for life.
Okay, so now we know that I think there's two types of onion, the purple one and the white one.
Yes. Well, basically there are three types of onion. We have the purple ones, we have the white ones, the red ones, and we have the yellow ones. So it's three types of onion. And they all have the same healing properties in them. They all have the same healing properties. One may be a little sweeter than the other, especially the purple ones, but they have the same healing properties just as every one of them, because of its organic and its vegetables components. It all have the same benefits.
But okay, I know you mentioned in the previous video that garlic has some healing properties, and now you just mentioned that onion also has some healing properties, and it has some illnesses that it can actually cure, like asthma that you just mentioned. Could you tell us of some more illnesses that these things can actually cure?
Yes. Yes, the healing properties of garlics are many, like white onions. For example, if you have heart disease, now heart disease is caused by clogging up of the arteries and by a lot of fatty substances getting into the bloodstream, which help alleviate the cholesterol level. Garlic can do a very great deal, in reducing this high cholesterol level by eradicating it from the arteries, which can help the blood to be thin and helping your better blood heart to respond betterly in the blood flow. Secondly, we also have what you call high blood pressure. And you know what causes high blood pressure? Sometimes too much salt, too much stress, fatigue, etc. And once the blood pressure is rising, you tend to have serious problem in what you call high blood pressure. Garlic can help normalize it in its back to normal, but you use it also in its raw stage. If it's going to be cooked, you're going to lose a lot of the healing properties which the body will going to lack. So you use it in its raw stage. We also have blood cancer or bowel cancer. Garlic again is because of its antibiotic properties and its healing medicine can help eradicate a lot of the symptoms or problems that comes to the body. Right? So garlic has a great number of benefits when it is used in its raw stage, for both for the female and men. Well, even for men, those of us who have impotence, with our sexual driving, because of the blood is so thick, has such a problem to pass through the veins of the grind, or we may call it. Garlic will help thin the blood so you can have a better blood flow, which you can have a better sexual activity. Garlic is very good there, even so throat, because once, especially when the cold is coming on you, you tend to get throat by having this sore in your throat with an infection, right? And when you use the garlic, because of its antibiotic properties, it helps one time, in the space of 5 minutes, eradicate that infection, kill the bacteria, and then you get healing from the sore throat immediately. Also the onion, also we work for high blood diabetes. right? It has a lot of insulin in the onion, which help eradicate or eliminate the blood sugar and break down the level. So it will give you a lower count in the blood sugar rising than just if you're using the tablet or the insulin. You could control the blood pressure and the blood sugar by the onion, by the usage of onion in its raw stage.